Hello, this is Joan of Art. We are here in Sicogon. We are going to ride the HABAL-HABAL. Yeah, HABAL-HABAL. Why is it called HABAL-HABAL?
Ay sa ibang lugar naman ito na single pagbiyahe. Sa iba din ang HABAL-HABAL.
Well, actually the HABAL-HABAL is the extended motorcycle. It's supposed to be single, can carry just 2 passengers, but in other places the HABAL-HABAL is really extended. And because of usage, so all the motorcycle services here is called the HABAL-HABAL. We will explore Mount Opao. That's Mount Opao, meaning kalbo or bald, no hair. So there is Mount Opao, and I'm going to board now the HABAL-HABAL. Yay! So now we are on board the HABAL-HABAL, and we are flying this kind of one-way footpath or a motorcycle path. The HABAL-HABAL ride ends here. So that's the trail going uphill to Mount Opao. We begin our ascent 1 hour plus, depends on our pacing. That is the trail or the footprint of the baboy talunon or the wild boar.
Makakita, kaya sila daw nakakalustawo, likaw sila bla.
Okay, so it's rare for us to actually see the monkeys because they're shy. Okay. Okay.
Because they are nocturnal.
Wow, that's a fresh animal track. So there are wild boars here. We'd be lucky if we see one. Delikado na sila. Are they dangerous? Okay, when provoked, they're pretty dangerous, but they're usually shy. Okay, so this is the trail with Wara behind me. Saka na. Going up, taklad. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's the Sicogon grass, and this is the reason why this island is called Sicogon, because of the abundance of Sicogon grass. We are here at the first station, and we're supposed to rest there. That's a very hot spot. Kainit na daya, kainit. That's hot. 1,160 hectares is the second stop. Here we can actually rest because it's Sandong. It's shaded. Hey Ricky. Hey Ricky.
Who the hell are you, Ricky?
Who the hell are you? What gives you the right to write your name here? What if this tree writes his name on you?
Naon ka man gyapon.
Ricky loves no one. No one loves Ricky.
Oh, sad life.
Sad life. Here's another one. Have a little respect for the tree. You're vandalizing the tree. We have arrived at the peak of Mount Opao. The guard is receiving us. They're the ones manning the place. Hello. And look at that awesome view. 360-degree view. Yay! Finally, we are up here. We are at the end of our journey at the peak of Mount Opao. This is the airport of Sicogon, and that is our hotel, Huni Resort and Hotel. That's Calagnaan Island and some of the other minor islands. Tumaki Island is right over there. Gigantes is somewhere in the hazy horizon. This is Joan of Art and Army Wara, Manong Bebot the tour guide. See you in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Mwah! We're going back. It's downhill this time. One last look. That's Tumakin Island. And bye-bye Opao. Until next time. See you next time. Bye.